Right, I'm Aaron Keller, Australasian Manager for Resurgence Gear. Oh, so good to be back on the motorbike. First vlog. Level 3 here in New Zealand, first day from COVID, so incredibly happy to get out on the motorbike for a little bit of a ride. Just off to get some essentials down at the supermarket. Made a little burst today, but we'll see how this vlog goes, and also the audio. Oh, so nice. Beautiful day. Actually, something I want to talk about is these new gloves. I've just come in only a few weeks ago. These new brown vintage aim gloves, Pekev light line on the bottom, all through the palm. So you got around about, with the leather about 4 seconds, then with Pekev light about 5.2. So around about 9-second abrasion rating on the palm and the fingers. On the top you got leather. It's a ghost leather, so it's quite soft and flexible, very comfortable. It looks great. You're looking at around 4-second abrasion rating there. So no, I'm quite excited about these gloves. They look mint, and I think they're going to go incredibly well. We are going to bring out a black version as well. They should be coming out around about October, November. But I'm loving these brown ones. Oh, such a beautiful day. Bloody good to be out. So with these vlogs, I want to be bringing a lot more audio clips, maybe out and about on rides and so forth. But I do want to start talking about gear, so I want to get a mannequin and actually showcase some of the gear, tell you all the ins and outs of them, and so you know exactly what you're buying and what's fit for purpose for what you need. Open road, urban riding, that kind of guff, and also the abrasion rating on each of the items, whether it's been CE rated or not. Alright, I'm gonna park. Alright, that's it for now. I'll shut it off.